Hey, so I wanted to show you because I do have another friend that uses OBS like me. I know this isn't the fancy software for recording your screen where it's got all the fancy little tools, but it is free. It's open broadcasting something, or I don't know, something like that. Open OBS. I can find out what the acronym stands for if you really want to know. But anyway, I use it to record my videos and record my screen. And there is lots of cool stuff that you can do with it. It's just that it's not easy and intuitive like some of the software packages that you get out there. So anyway, I'm going to show you real quick how to set up some environments for recording. Like right now I'm using my original scene, and I'll show you how I set it up. And I did find that once I created a TikTok version, which is small, so that you have the small screen with your little square in there of you talking, I didn't know how to switch it back. So I ended up just creating a new one, and it helped me learn how to do this so I can show you how to set it up. It's not hard, really, it's easy. So here I am, when you're showing OBS by itself, it's going to do this weird thing. But here's me. And if you notice, boy, it's weird having OBS in front of me while I'm recording it. But anyway, you have scenes, right? And in the scenes, you can add things. So if I get out of here, if I go create new scene, right? Let's go scene collection, and full screen is what I have right now. Let us create a new one. I'll just call this full screen 2, just to show you. I hit OK, and I select the device, which would be this one, my USB plug and play audio microphone. There, now I have the microphone. Then I'm going to hit plus and add a display capture, which would be whatever screen I'm, capturing. Screen capture. And we'll call it, I don't know, LCD2. I have 2 screens. So I'm going to hit OK. And I am going to hit this little down arrow here and choose display 2, because that will show what's on my other screen, which is I was playing with live stream over there. So now I have that background. I'm going to hit the plus again, and I'm going to hit, where is it? Video capture device. Your video capture device will be your camera. So I'm going to call it camera because that's easier for me to understand, and it makes it easier to explain. There's my camera. That's the only one I have connected to my system, so I don't really have to connect one. There is a virtual camera. I don't even know what to do with that yet because I haven't learned how or what that's for. So I'm just going to leave it the way all the defaults and hit OK. There I am on top of the screen. So I can move me around by clicking and dragging. I can make me smaller. I can make me bigger. I can take up the whole screen like that. I can do this while I'm recording, so I can move me out of the way and point at the screen and talk about it. Cool beans, right? So on the next video, I will show you how to do a small one for TikTok. I guess I could switch. No, let me switch screens here. Or better yet, I'm already sharing the screen. Oh, this is really mind-boggling to be sharing OBS while using it. I don't even know if this is working right. So if I hit scene collection, I don't think I I am back. There I am. Cool. That's what I did wrong. Okay. You know what? Enough of that. Let's get me big here so I can say goodbye. You can comment, like, share, whatever you want to do with this video. Subscribe so that you don't miss out when I share other stuff to teach you to use in your home business. I believe I will show you how I figured out how to do the TikTok format using OBS because it's cool. I can record a bunch of videos just like I do for YouTube, and they'll be in the right format to share on TikTok. Then what I do, just so you know, I'll share it in the next video. So I'm going to make this too long and go on and on forever, and then you will be, I'll lose my audience. You guys will be bored because you didn't come here to learn that. You came here to learn how to use scenes on OBS and set them up. Make it a great day. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anything else you want to learn, and get on my list if you want to dig deeper and learn more from me about marketing tips, home business tips, whatever. I share stuff, I sell stuff, and I'll invite you when I have openings for one-on-ones to help you out with the technology in your home business. There's a lot of tech out there that can help us make a bigger impact on this world. I mean, there's so much, and there's so many new things coming out that we all got to learn. So see ya later. Thanks for stopping by, and I will start the TikTok one later.